Hi friends, this is Arjun Santosh from Channel9 Mobiles, Jayanagar. I'm super excited to meet you all again, and there's a small secret whom I'll be introducing you all today. The epic phone of 2021. Samsung has started early this year and I'm so happy to introduce to you all the Samsung S21 series. Before I unbox and dig deep, I would like to highlight 5 keywords that will blow your mind away. 5G, the 108 megapixel camera, the S Pen, and the 256GB variant for India, and the Knox Vault for privacy. And I'm sure you're all waiting to experience this Galaxy S21 series. Let's unbox the S21 Ultra, the beast of the S21 series. I'm sure you're all gazing at the sleek design of the box. Don't worry guys, Samsung's got you covered for the pre-booking customers. Wow. This is an amazing design. It looks fabulous, and obviously I've got the phantom black into my hands. Don't worry, it's Gorilla Glass Vectis, so it doesn't get scratched. And they've given a USB-C type to C type cable. The contents are pretty much clean. I was wondering why they call this epic, but now when I see this, it's really got the epic camera, the design and the display. Let me tell you about the design and the display about the S21 Ultra 5G. Samsung is always known for its bold and iconic design that it makes forever. I have been always flattered by the design. We were always, itching to find a case for the S20 and the Note 20 Ultra, and now if you can just closely observe the way they have molded the bump into the design, it's become an integral part of the phone, and now it's not a bump guys, it's a design, and that's classy. Now, the display is an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate display. So what does that mean? It works from 10Hz to 120Hz. So be it social media, be it a Google browser, be it a simple calling app, or your 4K video recording or the Netflix, it gives you a beautiful view for a gamer and a simple user. If you think that's enough, no. Okay, now coming to the display again, they have given you the dynamic AMOLED 2x display. 25% brighter and 20% better contrast ratio to the Samsung S20 Ultra. This beautiful black, the phantom black, I don't know how many times they have created their samples, but it's anti-smudge and it's really black from any side you look at it. Coming to the epic camera about this phone, it's a quad camera setup with the 12MP ultra wide lens with the 108MP wide lens with a dual telephoto lens of 10MP and 108MP. The selfie camera boasts a whopping 64 megapixel for your beautiful selfies. I'm really surprised how I would look after taking a photo of myself, and it's so small it gives you the entire viewing angle. It doesn't gives you any disturbance across the phone. Now, why we have the 2 telephoto lens, and what about the 100x space zoom it always says about the S21 Ultra? So let me just show you what the zoom is. So you have the 1x, 2x, 4x, and now the magic of the 10x, 30x, and now you can see the zoom lock which they have enabled for their digital zooms. This is wow. Are you a vlogger? Do you want to direct a short movie on this phone? Trust me, you can outbeat yourself and people will never know you've done it on a smartphone. You can shoot 8K video recording, and at 10x zoom you can shoot 4K at 60 frames per second. Outbeat that, and I'm surely above for camera for the Samsung what they have created. The camera has optical image stabilization and laser autofocus for the super steady mode. So let me just show you the video. Now if you have a shaky hand, you can see that, and then now when you switch on the super steady mode, look at the video. absolutely, it's amazing. I can go on and on and on and on talking about this camera. It has got the HM3 sensor. They've upgraded it from the HM2. They have got the low light photography, and they've also added the RAW format for the editors to create ultimate pictures for yourself. Coming to the epic performance and the battery, the Mammoth 5000 mAh battery, which gives you, I can say, 45 minutes to 1 hour more than the Note 20 Ultra or the S20, and it boasts a 5G ready chipset Exynos 2100. 33% faster GPU and 20% faster CPU processing power. It's a dream for you gamers, trust me. You may all be wondering why I said S Pen on an S series. So this is the first time the brave Samsung has brought in the S Pen feature to work on the S21 Ultra 5G. They have given you the Wacom supportable display, and they are tying up with multiple pen manufacturer and accessories manufacturer to make an S Pen of your choice and of your style. Who said you cannot be a stylish businessman? You can have style, and you can link the phone to Windows, which will get connected to your PC, which will make everything on the phone come to your laptop. It was disappointing last year when they gave you just the 128 variant. Now Samsung hears you all, and they have launched the 256 variants in the S21 Plus as well as the S21 Ultra. More space to love, enjoy, click and share. For a hands-on experience, I would like to invite you all to visit our store in Jayanagar for the live demo of the S21 Plus and the S21 Ultra. And the amazing thing, if you pre-book, you get benefits up to 20,000. Yes, 20,000. Upgrade offers, cashback offers, EMI, vouchers, they have covered you all. And as I said, Samsung has covered you for your 25 watts charger adapter when you buy pre-booking. Visit Channel 9 and thank you all.